Hi everyone, welcome to another render demo, how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be drawing the Hanukkah candles. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the center of my candle structure, and it's going to be right in the center of the page. And I can start off with the center piece like this, and we'll come down, and this will be roughly the same thickness. But as we get down to the bottom, we can start to kind of widen it a little bit. So I'll have this kind of come down like that, and we'll come over, and this will be the base. If you want, you can grab a ruler and draw a line at the bottom, like that, if you want. And then if you also want, you can draw a center line like this. Just a really light, faint line, and then that will kind of help you out with drawing the center of the candle here, and then it gets wider, and we're just going to mirror the left side onto the right. And if you want to be exact, you can kind of measure that out and figure out how far over to come like that. Okay, the next step is we're going to have this as the highest point. So we're going to draw some shapes that are slightly lower from this center part here. So what I'll do is I'm going to come from here, and I'm going to come down and kind of draw like almost like if I drew a U shape. Okay, I'm going to go all the way through so you can see it. So I'm just going to draw like a U shape like that. And then you can see the thickness here. I'm going to try to follow and do the same over here. So we'll come down like that, continue over, just like so, okay? And then we'll do another one. This one's going to be slightly higher, okay? So a little bit higher. So we're going to come down like that. And we'll come back up here like this, and this will be slightly higher. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to do two more on either side. And as these go over, they will be a little wider, a little taller. Like that, okay? So we kind of have little steps going up. And then we just continue this, and we'll leave a little bit of a gap, like that. We'll come down here, and then we'll continue this side over. And we'll do the last one right here. Okay, there we go. Now what we want to do is we will draw a little wick stem like that for each one of these. So we'll do about the same size, same length. We just extend that up like that. And then we'll just draw flames for each one of the candles. Okay, now the candle holder will be holding the candle. So what we'll do is right about here, I'm just going to draw these horizontal lines. So these are kind of holding my candles like that. So this lower part will be the whole candle holder, and then the candles are kind of coming out from those right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and ink my drawing in, and we'll see you in a second. Okay, I'm going to erase some of the lines, pencil lines. Okay, now I'm going to marker this in. So I'm going to do a yellow flame and then a yellow candle holder and then some blue colored candles. All right, so there you go. We just drew the Hanukkah candle and markered it in, used some yellows and oranges for some kind of shading effects, and we did some blue candles with yellow flames. So hopefully you liked it. Don't forget to click subscribe down below. That way you'll be able to see upcoming tutorials from us. And we hope you had a good time. Happy Hanukkah and see you soon. Bye-bye.